Before we save our well-formatted document, let's review what we went through to make this a well-formatted document. First thing we did was we turned on formatting characters, and we can already see them on the screen. We can still see them. Haven't turned them off. Those are on the home menu. The little backward P here, make sure that it's highlighted in orange. Then we produced a standard header, which you can download. I'll give you the instructions at the end of this video on where to download standard headers and templates for this course. Replaced it with our information, our title, and so on. The next thing that we did was we formatted normal and heading. Whoops, I'm actually changing the format of my document to be indented and not indented. Here we added a table of contents, which, remember, if you ever have to change your chapters, do an update field here to bring the table of contents up to date. We then changed all of our chapter headings to, this should be a head 1. It's interesting. And the bodies are normal. And then we put a trailer on the end of it. This book happens to have a rather elaborate trailer where it lists all of Melanie's books, and at this point she's written over 80, so the list goes on for quite a while, listing all the various series at the end. Now that we have this together, it's all well formatted, let's go ahead and save this. We're going to pick File, Save As. Now we don't want to overwrite the old version of the document, sample doc, that we had. This is formatted now for Kindle, so what I like to do is say space dash space uppercase K Kindle .doc. And that way it will be distinguished from formatting for other platforms that I might do. I might name the files differently. I also didn't replace my original file that I was working with. I always like to be able to back up in case I've made mistakes. So there we've saved our work, and we're now ready to move on to KDP and to publish.